Exciting video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to rotate your viewport so that your elements in paper space are set up horizontally so you can draft properly. If we were to go to our model space here, I'll click there, you can see that everything's at an angle. But I don't want to rotate these elements because this is the way the consultant provided his XREF. So I don't want to manipulate the drawing from the consultant. So to do that, I would just need to go back to my paper space here and use my Express tools to rotate my viewport. And to do so, just go to your Express tools, go to your drop down Express tools, go to your layout tools, and then you're going to want to click on the align space option. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to select 2 points of reference that you want to choose for your target. So we're going to choose that point and that point. Then it's going to, once you do that, it's going to pull you from model space into paper space, so you can grab 2 reference points to which you want to align to. So we want it to be horizontal. So I'm going to use the bottom length of the my viewport as my reference. So I did the first click. Now I'm going to do the second click there. Once I click enter, and then once I do that, I'm just going to zoom out. Let me just unlock my. I'm going to unlock my viewport. Click in my viewport, zoom out, and there you go. Now the elements in my model space, which are angled in my viewport, they're horizontal to my viewport. Now I can do my drafting properly. Now the next thing you're going to notice is that my X and Y axis are at the other angle, at the angle that correlates with my model space. So if you go back to your viewport in your paper space, that's why the X and Y are exactly match the ones in model space, because we're opening the viewport in model space. So we want to change it in our viewport so that we can draft, because we don't want it to be like that. In order to do that, you have to type in UCS, enter, and then you want to select one first point of reference and then a second point of reference to adjust your Y and X axis, like I'm showing you right now. Once I click on the second point there, automatically I'll click escape. Well, do it again. Do UCS, enter. Click there for my first point, there for my second, and then just double click, and there you go. There you go. You're all set. You're all set. So now we can do our drafting. Now I can draw any type of lines in here, or let's say boxes, and they'll draw properly according to the Y and X axis orientation. And if I were to go to my model space, everything looks exactly the way it was before. All the manipulations were done in my viewport. So I'm gonna scroll out of here, set my scale to 1/4 equals an inch. Sorry, 1/4 equals a foot. And let me see. I have it somewhere in here. Can't find it. There it is. And then once I do that, I'll just tap out of my model space, and then I'll lock my viewport, and then lock it, and we're all set. I hope this video was of help, and if it was, please subscribe to my channel and hit me up with a like, so that I can continue providing you free, exciting videos that will make your drafting a lot faster and efficient. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys into the next one.